Hi everybody. So my/mystery said send us a note, and he said if we don't find some of our stuff by 12 p.m., which is midnight, then he'll magic it to him because he's magic. And he said that he'll cancel my Amazon delivery and have it delivered to him. And I kind of think that's illegal, but I don't really know. I'm just a kid that's going into 4th grade this year. So yeah, so we have to find some of our things. So we already found 3 of my fidgets.
And I found one and I'm stressing. Because I'm stressed, he misses his friend.
Yeah. Okay, so Jackson.
Is it our bed?
Okay guys, so here's my fidget bin. We obviously didn't hide all of them. So we got it.
The candle, it's out of our candle thing.
Okay, I'll check it.
And it looks like a squishy.
I'll check it. Jackson, I said I'll check it. Okay, he's not listening. Yeah, I see. It's my favorite squishy. Our candle is out.
Okay, it says front door.
I think I have to put.
Okay, so
I have to put my keychains back on my backpack so I can keep them. They don't disappear.
yeah, okay. So I found my squishy. I gotta put the candle back in.
Come on,
All right.
3 minutes, 3 seconds.
No. Okay, let me look in this because I don't know why. Maybe it's in here. Ow.
Why would something be in my puzzle?
I don't know. It's just Shrek. It's a Pokemon one. He got it for Christmas.
I don't.
It's Christmas, pretty baby. I'm not copyrighting. Okay. One of my pressure rings. Okay.
We have a lot of stuff in my. Why does it look like my Buzz Lightyear is glitching?
It's not. Alright. Whoa, guys. Look. I found one of my favorite puppets. Stop. Okay. Stop. Okay. A unicorn puppet. What's this? My mini heart puppet. Okay.
We haven't looked at one thing where my Jack could be. Let's go.
Okay. Alright. Okay, guys, so why would it be in here? Wait, Pat, go put it on your backpack. Okay, I'm gonna go look.
I found my Jack, guys.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna look in these drawers. And my simple dimple. Let's look in the other drawer.
I'll look in there too.
No, Jackson. Okay, we found both my simple.
I found my Jack. And I like doing this. Jack. Oh, I only have 3 seconds.
Okay, no, you don't. I thought we have until midnight, which is August 20. So, okay, so I'll put those in my face.
And my hedgehog's been missing for a very long time. Ever since I was 5.
Okay.
My hedgehog's been missing since I was 5. And I'm 8 now. We need to find that before it disappears.
Okay.
He said when I was 5 and this happened for the first time. I had to find my hedgehog by the time I was 8, and then this happened.
Okay, so maybe it's in the garage. I don't know.
Alrighty, let me see. Oh, it is!
Guys, we found it. Oh my, that hurt. Okay.
Found him!
So he found Haji. Okay.
Hedgie, I missed you.
All right. So, but how would it be in there? We only lived here for like 2 or 3 months.
He may have teleported it.
Maybe. Okay, so we still need to look for some of my stuff, so let's keep looking. I don't know why maybe stuff's in the bathroom. Okay. It's not in the trash can. I'm gonna check the toilet paper. Stop.
There's been something
Okay, so
else
I
missing
found-
of mine for a very long time.
Okay, she was just joking. Okay, so I'm gonna check the toilet paper. I found my blue one.
Are you seeing
Okay, I found my pink one. What?
I'm seeing green and blue things and a red and camo one.
We're fine. Okay,
So guys, we found all my stuff, but I don't think we
okay,
found
I'm
all
gonna
of it.
look behind this.
I think he took some of my stuff.
Okay, so
I think he took some of my stuff and didn't tell what it was.
okay, now I'm gonna look behind the other one. I found it. All right. Okay. No. Okay. Found it.
I found something, guys.
Okay. Let's see. Maybe. Okay, I found another pressure ring.
I found my Nerf gun.
Okay, I found his Nerf
But I
gun.
found it in my backpack.
Okay, I found two of.
Stuff is in there.
Found a mochi, maybe. A mochi. Okay, so here's one of them. A bouncy ball. Okay.
Wait, this is a clue. I never had a bouncy ball.
Okay, so we found his bouncy ball.
But I think there's a clue. Very big
No, Jackson, there's not. Okay.
clue. Might even need to restart.
We found this. Okay. Why'd you say that on camera?
Because
No.
I made everything I own.
No. Okay, so I don't know why. I feel a pop.
Still in there? Go ahead.
Okay, I feel I'll pop it. Pop it. Maybe I'll look in my jacket. Is there something in here? No. Okay. Huh? Where else would there be something? Trying to think. Okay, let's go. Maybe we missed something. I don't know. Okay. Get out of my room. Okay, guys. I'm gonna look in these drawers. Okay, I found a blue top too. A yellow one. Okay. All right. So
Check these out. No.
there's nothing in there. Okay. So.
Is that all?
I think these are all my fidgets. I don't know. I'm gonna count because I think I have 31 fidgets. So we're gonna count. See if I have all of them. I'll count.
And I'll see if I have one too.
Guys, wait. Does that mean he's gonna take the fidget trading board that we made? All right. That I mean. Okay. So let's count. 1. Jackson. I know you already found all your stuff. Okay. So.
I can't believe I found you, Hedgie. After 5. Wait, how?
3
3
years.
long
If you
years.
lost him when you were 5. Okay. Okay.
we
So
did it now,
Jackson,
I used
I'm
to.
gonna start counting now. Okay. 1, 2,
No, supervisor's
3,
found.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Perfect, because I have 29 fidgets.
There's a no. I think I found something.
Wait, no, this is a note. It says from NY. This says no. It says Madison Archibald. This is something I did when I was playing business once. Okay. It says congratulations with a mad emoji. Congratulations, you found all your stuff. I was hoping that you wouldn't find it. Well, maybe I'll make it disappear.
Did he say anything about my long lost Hedgie?
Oh, and Jackson, good job you found Hedgie, because if you didn't by the end, by sundown, he would have been mine forever.
Can I get a pencil so I can write back to him? It will never be
No,
his?
Jackson, you cannot write back to
Having
me.
trouble with being alarmed?
And also,